There you go. Okay. Alrighty here. Now we're going to do some raffle giveaways here for the raffle tickets for the different items we have up here. I'll turn this back up just a hair so everybody can hear me at least. So the items here for the raffle are going to be from Cuizn Designs, also Tip Tech of Fredericksburg, Napier Outdoors of Canada, and the other ones that we have here also, I think Starbucks, Bronca Apparel. So, okay, nobody wanted those, I got you. All right, so you just want me to pick one out?
Oh, no.
Okay, I'll do it seeing I'm over here. Okay, we're going to do the first one here. I'll jump back and forth. Okay, I have my model here, Dana White. She's going to hold up, do all the, you know. All right, this one here, the first one is from Cuizn Designs of Spotsylvania. It's a burnt wood Chevrolet plaque here. Pretty cool. So the ticket for this one is going to be ticket number 57.
Real nice 442.
578040. This is for the burnt wood from Cuizn Designs of Spotsylvania for the Chevrolet plaque. All right, let's confirm here. We need 2 forms of government ID. 578040. 2 forms of ID, a blood sample and stuff. Make sure we're good. And I was just kidding. 8053. Oh, there we go. We have a winner, and the dog's happy too.
I was actually on my way home. Didn't even know about this car show. Just happened to come across it on the way back.
All right, your next one here.
And I'm glad I did.
Going to be for Napier Outdoors of Canada.
Because it's like kind of like the car guys are always on my side.
I don't know if that's like a one size
This F100 is crazy.
There, or
Slam, bro.
yeah, you get to choose when you go online. Evidently, there's a difference between Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet. We all know that.
Very cool.
And SUV. They also make them for SUVs. So, here we go. This ticket here is for the Napier Outdoors of Canada tent for the truck or SUV 578058.
We decided to take a turn into the Walmart and just happened to come across this car show. Car guys are always on my side.
058. Yep. Here we go.
When it comes to car shows, because when it comes to fixing my shit, nothing ever works out. But they got some real nice cars out here, especially that Comet wagon. That thing is real nice. Impala, Bel Air. They got a lot of nice, clean cars. The one that stands out to me is this. 23. 1944 coupe. Very pretty. Gorgeous colors. It's just looks pretty badass. So this one right here is gonna be my favorite out of this show, 100%. And I will have to go with this psychedelic 80s, early 90s build, 1933. It's just, it screams that era. Real nice. Bugs love it. Beautiful ride. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Can't complain. Keep on cruising.